Let me show you all of the touch gestures available for Soundcore Liberty for NC. So first we need to open a Soundcore app on the smartphone device currently connected with our earbuds, and then we can pick them from the list like that. Now if you scroll all the way down, there's the option to enter controls, and we can find all of the gestures right here. So there's 4 sections. We have a single press, which you need to grab one of the earbuds depending on the left or right one right here, and tap once in this area right here where there's a Soundcore logo. Next is double tap, and you need to just double tap. If you use triple, then you need to triple tap. And there's also option to use a long press, and you need to stick your finger to that area and hold it. Now let me bring back that earbud to the case, and then I'm going to show you each gesture that you can apply to that specific motion. So we can go for a single press, and there's volume minus, volume plus, next, previous, play, pause, or none. There's also double press, and there's all of those settings right here. I won't repeat them, but additional one is a ambient sound that we can use. And right here is the same thing. And for the long press, we also have a same thing, and there's also options to customize your ambient sound with noise cancellation, normal mode, or transparency mode. And the same thing applies to the right earbud.